Hi guys, the ISOs have been built, they're on AAG and we are ready for the release on the 1st. So I got some time off while the other PC is making ISOs for ALCI, which have been updated for Arch ISO 74. I'm gonna play and have some free time to explore Immutable, right? Immutable. Best immutable Linux distro, and then you put a year behind it. This was a bit too soon for it, but there you go, you got some links and then you have a look. 11 future-proof immutable Linux distribution, and then you have to choose. It's always the same, there are lots of choices. And if you're a fan of, right, GNOME, Carbon OS, have a look. And Fedora Silverblue, Flatcar Container Linux, Nixos. I've chosen this one. Most advanced Linux distribution available if you want immutability and bunch of perks. Yeah, perks, I want perks. Quix, OpenSUSE, Vanilla OS. So there's a bunch of projects out there. Linux is definitely not that. And you go and explore them, right? Have fun. In the end, that's what we try to learn at ArcoLinux. In the end, it's all just Linux. And these guys had a tutorial that made me also decide to go to this one. Fret not, if you do not know about NixOS, you can explore our NixOS series to learn and set it up. So that's this link. And I looked a little bit further. So just keep on looking. This is the one that we have here. Just browse the internet and choose the best 5 best here. 11 distros there. Why should you use it? Right, just keep reading, keep learning. So why should you consider using NixOS? So this is my page where we go. That's the red line. NixOS, yet another distro that uses different package manager. And this little guy there. One of the advanced Linux distros. Just read with me because this is fun time. So not really a tutorial, just follow along and see if this is something for you and scroll through the video. Using it for 3 months, it says. So good, I'm considering switching from my day from Pop! OS to NixOS. Alright, 6 reasons to use it. Independent Linux distro built from scratch. In my opinion, if you're a developer or a computer science student, NixOS should fit perfectly. Does not break easily, easy to recover. Just read the titles, read the reproducibility, wow. Easy rollbacks, sure. Nix Packs Manager, should we already know some commands? No, just Nix probably. Nix Package Manager is impressive. I've got the reflex, right? I've got the reflex. Does it exist? A purely functional package manager, right? I never tried it, but it is available on Arch. Use multiple versions of the same package, that's a good idea. Ability to test packages without installing. Nix Shell, something to remember. NixOS series, let's explore more. So that's our intro. This is the second one. 2. How to install NixOS on a virtual machine. That's my idea, right? We're not gonna go away from Arch, we just want to test it. Okay, we got VirtualBox, right? Super F7. Get the ISO image. Let's go there. So, what should I do? Let's see. GNOME. Then I prefer Plasma. Graphical ISO image. So we're not gonna go with this. The graphical one, that's that one. We're not an ARM, we're an Intel AMD. Anything else that I could like? Not really. So Plasma it is. It will cost me 2.5 gigabyte. What else? Remember, you're given GNOME and KDE options for the live desktop. You can choose XFCE, Pantheon, Cinnamon, Mate, and more. I'm interested in the more. Then we create a virtual machine. Can identify, so it named it Nixos. Choose type of ISO, choose another Linux bit division. Click on the next. Seems like nothing special here. So I can just choose my own settings. And then we have an installer. Okay, so first off, download is finished. Now it is. Super F7, where are you? There. So clone Nixos, put it in there. Boot. We have no mode set, so if things go wrong, if you don't have an image, if you don't have a graphical image, that maybe this one is gonna be the best one for you. Debugging, copy to RAM, everything inside your RAM. So I guess number one is gonna be okay. I'm gonna move my page here to my second screen, and so we can concentrate on the VirtualBox on my left screen. Once you boot into Nixos, the installer will start and ask you to set the preferred language for the installer. Looks like Calamares. We all use it, thank God, right, that it exists. So, can we make this bigger? That's the first thing. Control F. Control F. Doesn't work on this one. So let's make it bigger. Display. That's the one. Apply. Apply. And keep. And kill. Wow. Let's make this a bit smaller. Nope. Yep. All right. So we're using the old version of Calamares, not 3.3. And American English is best way because you need the technical terms in English. And yes, there are no net modules, or yes, there are some things in here that we can do. Next. Modules, Belgian. Next. Full name is still Eric. Password still Eric. Password still Eric. Is shorter than 6 characters. Login automatically. Use the same password. That's how I want to roll. And here are choices. So we're booting up with Plasma. So no, I don't want that. GNOME, XFCE, Pantheon, Cinnamon, Mate, Enlightenment, LXQT, Budgie, Deeping, or no desktop at all. Seems like an interesting setup as well. To think about, to ponder about. Next. Fully open source, but also provides software packages with unfree licenses. If not enabled, sure, go ahead. Next. Erase, no choices. We are going for X4. Okay. Next. Whoop, there's no pop-up. It's doing its thing already. Now, I wanted to have a look at Calamares, right? etc Nixos. There is this and there is that. Look at that. So everything needs to be, you need to relearn everything. So etc root is there, run sys proc nix, separate folder for the store, var databases, profiles, per user, root, channels, Nixos, Nix packages, modules, lib, test, maintainers. I'm already quite deep. It's installing here. Can we see what's going on? Nix store things, Nixos of Nixos install, Nixos. Sounds good as well. Let's just say Nix. Nix is being installed. And in the store goes packages. All kinds of packages. So Nix store. Well, not this one. Oh yeah, this one has something. But where is it going to? Is of course going to the temp. Hey, can't go in there. So everything is gonna copy paste it to temp. Boot, nothing there. Ah, no, I can't go in. Right mouse click. Hey, okay. Open terminal here, open as administrator. All right. Mystery, feeling a noob. Cool. Always a fun feeling. I am the noob. Ah, some things are getting in there. So here is the future system. And here is our store. And in these things is an application called getEnd. And maybe we should have a look at it like this. So we see the names at the end, unifont and so on and so on. So it's a very long special kind of naming. And with the minus they end it. And then the name comes. And the version. Then they'll probably say with the config, use that version, use this package, use that package. What a database that must be. All right. Boot should have something later on. Devices. etc, it's just Nixos. Let's have a look at the configuration. So we know we're gonna have Nix files to set everything up. The hardware configuration file is gonna be included. Telling him, hey, go import this, go import that. Next for boot, vfat, and virtualization VirtualBox guest enabled is true. Key. Bootloader system deboot is enabled. EFI variables, so UEFI or gold Nixos, define your host name. Networking is true. So this little guy It's working. Disconnect if I want. You're Brussels. Good. Good. X11 PE. Good again. B11. Thank you. Belgian keyboard. And we got Firefox, Kate, and Thunderbird is not available. So that's Firefox for you. And Kate. Kate. Too busy. There she is. Kate is a she, right? So, the web page. Let's read that. Change region and time zone. Select keyboard layout and so on. Scrolling the itsvos.com install Nixos VM page. And we've chosen use non-free. Yep. Partition Spark, done that. Don't reboot but turn off the VM. What's this? Capital letters, don't reboot but turn off the VM, sorry. Once the installation is finished, you will be given the option to restart the VM, and if you do so, it will load the installer again. Okay, to solve this issue, you must make changes in the boot sequence. To do that, power off your VM once the installation is complete. Alright, and then power off, images, settings. Tell the hard disk to go a little bit higher. And then step 4, boot from NixOS install. How long have I been recording? 17 minutes, we're halfway. Okay. I see in the image here from itsvos that's showing me a grub, but I thought I read a systemd boot, so probably already changed. Maybe it's related to this one, GNOME and Plasma. Gonna install and remove packages. So I followed this one. So basically he's saying here, don't reboot but turn off the VM. Close, power off, change the boot, go to settings, and then we have this animated GIF. Hard disk needs to go up. Press OK, we'll save the changes. Then we'll go here. So that would be the end of our article. How far are you along, my friend? 46%. Still wondering where Calamares actually is. Now he's there. Okay, it's happening. Still looking. Everything is defined in Nixos. Patch here, patch there, will in patch, patch everywhere. It's like a song, right? Let's do that again. This one, same thing. Still did not find what I want to find. So it's in the store, Nixos packages, tools, miscellaneous. Call. Installation complete. Okay, cool. I'll reboot first. Last check. Where is ArcoLinux? Oh, there it is. So let's see what is in here. We're gonna learn a lot of things. Lib fetch URL, and then it says false. None of these, I know what. Or just that one. Because all the rest it needs. It's not an arch. We made the change, right, to 5, Qt5, Qt5, Qt6, stuff like that. Here, not yet. 362. It's pointing to a certain version and package name. All filled in. 3262 version. Download that one. Patches of all kind. Lot to learn, weeks to learn, and here we have basically what we need to have, and it's a D6. That's good. ArcoLinux desktop, but I did not find this config yet. Configs, where are the configs? But okay, still time, right? Let's reboot, restart. You can change every setting later except the bootloader. Here's a manual for instructions how to install software. I'm gonna look for nixos.org manual nixos stable. That's the URL later on. All right, nixos.org. We need to complete the logout. Stop this thing, close, power off, thank you, and then get rid of this one. Probably gonna be enough, but let's see. Control F. Did I see the word tapir? Is that some kind of animal from Africa? A tapir. Where's the tape here? Like tapus, tape-ass, tapus. IT crowd, full of humor. Off we go. I always say, don't think in boxes. It's plasma, and it's plasma everywhere. It doesn't matter where you learn about plasma, because the knowledge, you can apply it on any system. All right. So I was looking at itsfos.com install Nixos VM. So let's do itsfos Nixos, and then let's see. Let's see. Install an Nixos. We've done that. This is another page, I think. Things to do. Let me see. I first need number 3. So this one is what I need now. How to install Nixos. I've done that. So how to add or remove packages, right? That's the good link. Actually, again, right, keep track of all the, so open link in new tab. All right, what do I need to do? Using the Nix package manager, using configuration Nix config file. Install only packages but not services like zh and plex for the config file. Okay. Search packages. All right. I'm lost. Help. Where should I type this? Let's read again. This is a link we should follow. Aha. Search more than 80,000 packages. I'm of course interested in, you know it, the SART icons. They're not in there. The surfer icons. How about CH80W? All right. How about Sublime Text? Okay. For dev, what are we using on Arch? Control T, sudo pacman -s, Sublime Text 4. No dev mentioned. So maybe this one. And then we have to type this: how to install a Nix shell will temporarily modify your path environment variable to try and deciding permanently install it. Okay. Control C. Where is my Kate? Control Alt T, Control Shift V. No sudo needed. Let's see, error. What's he saying? While calling the source not available. Attributes, build evaluating stuff. Allow unfree one. Okay. How about some help here? Oh yeah, that's gone. Maybe we should put this guy somewhere. Let's see. Bookmarks. Show bookmarks. Put it there, and then go back. All right, reading it again. The Nix package manager and the configuration. The Nix package manager can only install packages, not services. Okay. It's the exact name. For that purpose, start how you can search. We've done the search. Select the appropriate package. Click on Nix-env option. Is there an option? Okay. Sublime. Ah yeah, here. Using Nix-env permanently modifies a local profile or installed packages must be updated and maintained by the user in the same way as with the traditional package manager, foregoing many of the benefits that make Unix using Nix shell. We should use Nix shell, they say. But the Nix shell thing, I don't get. That's this one, Nix shell. Source not available. Look at that place where it is. Problems. Unfree license, yeah. Refusing to evaluate your. To temporarily allow unfree packages, you can use an environment variable for the Nix tools. So this guy. Control C, nope, Control Shift C, Control T, Control Shift V, Okay, that's in there. Okay, there's another package, OpenSSL, marked as insecure. It's not Sublime. So this is what they recommend, that's what they recommend, and this is a configuration. That's maybe something I'd rather do. The environment system packages to the etc Nixos configuration file. We can do that. Like so. Can't read it. So sudo probably, I don't know, does sudo exist? Yeah, okay, sudo, and then etc Nixos configuration. Nope, nothing there. cd etc Nixos. Okay, ls sudo nano configuration x. And what should I do? Environment system packages, environment system packages, environment system packages, environments. Control W, Control W. Environment, environment system packages. There. wget, sure. So I want to have wget. Should I use commas, semicolons, spaces? I don't know. Line per line. Environment system packages, that's this one. And there is something here with packages, and here it's not. I'll see you. Control X, yes, save. Now it probably will not just work, but when will it work? Do I need to do anything else? Add the following usually located in how to install. And then I think we need another page. A Nixos org to figure that out. There was a page, nixos.org, learn probably, install Nix, first steps with Nix, and then install stuff. Okay, shell Nix. That we've done the search. -p, but what if I don't want to use the Nix shell? yeah, the P is for more than one package. So this one should work. Let's see, Control C. Okay. And then we have which git version, which others normal stuff, and doors. A lot to read. What did I install? No arrow up. No arrow up. Just the one. Okay. A lot of Lua stuff. Perl, Ruby. And Git. Oh. Git is installed. Let's see. Of course I can't run it. It's not working anyway. It does exist. But of course I'm in etc Nixos. That's better. So Git is installed. Install packages. Let's try the next event for this one. Oops, I think I crashed it. Ah, it's back alive. No, 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 no. Not that again. Not that again. This. Ah, now it's blue. There was something wrong with it. Again, unclickable. Let's do a reboot. Shut down or restart. Maybe my Sublime will be there. We're using a stop. F stop or something. Can do that in Arch too. Ah, you remembered my size. That's good. And the pages. And please be there, Sublime Text. Yeah, it's a nice setting here. Yes, sure, but the app is not there. So let's try it again. Control C, Control T, Control Shift V, boom. And why is he not doing it? Unfree, I know it's unfree, but whatever. Up. I need to add this one. Let's see. Control T. Bit smaller. Sudo nano etc Nixos, and then configuration Nix, and then Control W, and then allow unfree. It's true. It is set to true. For NixOS rebuild, no, maybe I should type that. NixOS rebuild, you can set Nix packages config allow unfree equals true. Got that. Can configure allow unfree predicates. It is set. So I need to Nixos rebuild maybe. Let's see what we get. Build VMS, container, enter firewall, generate config, Nix help install, option rebuild. Reconfigure a NixOS machine. Switch, boot, test, build, try, active, edit, filter, and so on. Right. But why can't I still not have Sublime Text? Why is Sublime Text not there? It's gonna be in development, I think. If it installs at some point in time. This is true. There's another file somewhere in the config Nix packages and so on. We have config. We have Nix packages. Nope, not there. So Nix packages is not here. Nix packages, pages, yeah, okay. And then we need a file config Nix. All right, I'm gonna put that one in there. What's the name again? Kata. Nope, that's not it. Can't copy paste anymore. Control Shift C and Control A, Control V. That's better. Save. In the meantime, where is my build? Any change up here? No change. Subla. No subla. I can't install software. Stupid thing. Probably more stupid me, but okay. It's easier to tell others they're stupid than tell yourself you're stupid. Why are you complaining? I've done so many things already. You can add OpenSL. That's the guy. Different guy. Why is it insecure? Why would that be insecure? OpenSSL is marked as insecure, refusing to evaluate. Okay. This should be the easiest, right? Saying, okay, go ahead, do it. Whoa, something's happening. I think I'm a happy man. Let's see. I'm a happy man. There we go. How's that possible? Why is there still... Wow. 8 plus 9. 17 versions. Can we search like this? No. It's gonna be the internet, the search. There are more Sublime text. Search again. There's the dev version. And that's the name. So if I want to have this, let's see if it conflicts and how it deals with conflicts. Or is it just gonna put it somewhere else in its own thing? And what was it? I shall type it. Sublime text 4. How is these guys the same? How is this the same? Sublime text 4. This one also Sublime text 4. It says def behind it. Oogie def. Okay. This is a tar xset coming from the source. So what do we have now? Okay. Okay. Go back. Go back, go back, go back. That's easy, right? Replacing the old, getting the new, boom. That's an easy. All right, that feels good. Switching around between versions, that was easy. I was just wondering, one of the major selling points of Plasma is that we have so many global themes, for instance. Does that work? How is he treating it? Dracula? Never installed it. Here's the install button. Beauty. Right? Beauty. Still busy. Still busy. Kate, what are you doing? He's finished. This one. Apply. With a splash. That's for media. Okay. Where can we? This one we can do here. Nothing happening. It's busy. When I click it, it's gonna be so. No. How do we exit this thing? How do we get out? The experiments I like to do, right? This little thing here. Chick, chick, chick. Nice. Kill. There's something blue. No, gone. Oh, there I am. There I am. Can't do this. So one of the perks on the VirtualBox, Control F, full screen. I do right Control R, reset, boom. Just pull the plug. I couldn't log out. So maybe not everything was loaded in the switch. A false spinner. Nope, everything was loaded except these guys. There are a few more here. I definitely want to change back. Ah, it's not crashing. Whew. So there is also this one. Maybe this one will be better. Still wondering how I should get out. Probably way, right? Probably way, super X in our case. Super something, no? Are there key bindings to exit? Are there key bindings to exit? Are there key bindings to exit? Key binding. Shortcuts. Custom shortcuts. Anything I should know about exit or shutdown or reboot? None of those. Okay, so I guess we'll just go back. And if we go back to Breeze Dark. And I've got my menu again. Let's take another one. So we can design it if you want it. Another tool I'd like to have is melt. We've got melt, probably also in development. Nope. Okay. Was that not the right command? This is what we did. Yeah, I thought so as much. Nothing happens. What if I type melt here? And it works. Is it a matter of exit, log out, log in? When and how will melt be in my menu? Okay. Different melts. Just the one. Control C. That results in the actual application. Baloo Runner. Might have been the wrong decision. That's the fun in virtual machines, right? You don't care because hey, it's a virtual machine. You learn in a virtual machine. All right. Still a lot to learn. The video has been long, I guess. Let's see. I tend to cut off after an hour and it's 58 minutes. We're also here for SourceForge Sardi, and we're also here for Surfing Icons GitHub. Voila. We have a git, so we could do a git. That's that. Home, Ctrl H, right mouse click, open terminal, git, clone, that one. Git command not found, huh? I thought we had that. I used it to get, okay. Whoop. Git not found. Git not found. Nixos git. Right, gotta remember that. Voila, that's in. And then surfen, apply, go to the files, get this one. In the meantime, we can go to the download, which is here. So we did download the Git. We did the Git at some point in time. I found Control A, Control C, go into Home, Control H, go into Local, Share, Icons. Is there? These two guys are there. Control V. Surfing is there as well. Now, the download. This we need. Is there. Start the extract here. Oh my god. Okay, then this one. Ah, the one-click button, right? Don't like the one-click. Delete. Delete as well. Control A, Control X, and then in here Control V. So let's have a look. It's Plasma after all. Now, true, this is Plasma. That means we need to have other icons for Plasma, but it will give you an idea. Start the arc, apply. It will apply in a while. F5. Nope. Close. Open. Voila. Control H. There's something wrong with Melt. I saw that earlier with the installation. What am I doing? This one is not correct. Nor that one, nor that one. We've created an icon theme just for Plasma. Let's go here first. Let's go for the Plasma Dark. Let's do a zip this time. You need this. That's where the icons are. Control X. The local. Control H. Local. Share. Icons. Control V. Now I go back. Yeah, we need to shut down. So we can reload everything. Appearance, new, yes, sure, icons, and then scrolling down to Surf and Plasma Dark. Oops. Apply. What did I do? I removed it. Ah. Why? Back. Copy then. All right. I clicked on this one. That was a mistake. Let's see. other icons, but created for Plasma itself. And these are not okay. Where are they? Log out. Log back in. Still not okay. That's strange. Not treated differently. A lot of things are not okay. Something is off. Depends on breeze, dark breeze. We got all that. Breeze, dark breeze. Let's try something else. This is the new kit on the block. Apply. Closing. That will change as well. Now we have this. This one is a continuity here. I wonder, I have a question in my brain. How about these gamers? I'm not a gamer. But if you want to install Steam, okay, doing its thing. Don't think we're there yet, but there's an option, program Steam enable equals true. Busy. Let's continue here. This looks better. So why is this one looking worse? Because this one is missing something. Where is this actually installed? Whoa. Is that in the Nix in the store? No, of course not. Control H, local share, icons. So this one has an index. Inherits breeze dark. I think we need to add something. That's interesting. I discovered that. No. Icon theme cache needs to go. Delete. And is it called Surfing with capital S? It's called Surfing with capital S. And it is written with capital S. Okay. Let's see. Appearance. Icons. Go to something else. Apply. Strange icons. And then to icons. And then we go to Plasma Dark again. Apply. Quit. Open that. Open this. So what am I missing? Surfing is here. Surfing Plasma Dark. Should we rebuild the icon cache? How's that done? What was it again? Rebuilding the cache, rebuilding the cache, rebuilding the cache. Let me peek on the other machine here. Package build icons, icon cache is where? Icon cache build icons maybe. No. Close all files. In Dropbox maybe. Dropbox, Saturday icons, Saturday, yes. Scripts, current scripts. That's the command. GTK. Nothing there. Let's try just typing it. Icon. Yeah. Update. Icon cache -F. And then the folder, which is one up. Surfing. Plasma. Dark and double point, I think. Can't find it. That's a problem. I can't update the icon cache. Okay. Does it even exist? Let's see. GTK 3. Probably gonna have that application. All right, that's better. Oh yeah. Cache file created successfully. So this one is there. And just to be sure, oops, I'm gonna make this surfing as well. All right. Then what? Any better? Nothing better. How strange is that? If we take the surfing itself, That looks okay. So I guess the surf from Plasma is not for Plasma on Nixos. But maybe others are. Here's Windows 11. Let's have a look. Sure. Whatever you like. All right. Well, the video has been too long, but I've not finished actually. 8 o'clock in the morning. The It's False article where we started with has 5 series. And that's gone. So it's FOSS, Nixos, getting started with things to do after installing. That's where we need to go. Add and remove packages, things to do. And there's a 5, how to set up Home Manager. Okay. That's an interesting sentence here. Okay, now we're going to get some commands here. Oh God, don't give you so much rubbish here. Can't even see it anymore. Next channel update. Okay, so Nix build, Nix channel, copy closure, environment hash, build container, enter file will help install. Option rebuild, rebuild with done. Now we have to remember channel update. Help add, option remove, update add. That was easy. All right. It is already up to date. It's not done. Rebuild. Control Shift. No. Control C, not Shift. Control Shift V. That's me. Nixos rebuild, switch to the upgrade. Okay, what else? Change hostname if you want. That's not important. Hostname CTL says hostname. Not for us, right? Inside the configuration Nix there is a line, the name, just name it to blah blah blah, right? Doesn't matter. It's your name. Nixos rebuild switch. Switch for what? To take effect from the change you made to the host name, execute the following lines. Yeah. Okay. Set up Flatpak. No, not a fan of Flatpak. But you can do. Make it a true in the configuration Nix. So everything is in the configuration Nix where you set everything, and then you need to switch it again. Rebuild, switch. And we can remote more URLs. Garbage collection, what's that? Yeah. Whenever you upgrade a package, the old package won't be removed, just a symlink, so the old package will be given the last version. That's cool. And then here we have garbage collection or GC, automatic true, dates weekly, sure, but I'm not gonna test this after this video. So garbage be damned, I'm gonna delete the VirtualBox. List timers, install your favorite software. That's gonna be a problem, right? My favorite software is CHADWM. I'm not gonna go and do that challenge. Other things to do. Now in the meantime, I hope Steam is installed. Games, no. I guess not. We have again an issue. Houston, we have a problem. We want to upgrade. And he's saying again problems. So this thing, let's try that again. There's a problem with this guy. Again, because we've seen this one already. So we could try this one, Control-Shift-C, which is in the Nix in the home config, right? Yeah, Nix packages. We've created that one by ourselves. And then this probably save. Are we happy now? No, he's not happy. Why would he be happy? What if I tell you to do this? Close, open, close, open. Looks good. Config. .nix in the Nix packages. Permitted insecure, capital I, capital P, space, square brackets. I don't see it. You're not gonna be installed. Auto upgrade, we can put that on as well. In here. Reduce swappiness. We've been experimenting with that as well. ArcoLinux, it's just a number we can add. And show. So one of the things you can do to improve your system. Now we're wrapping up, but I need to go to the last one, number 5. There's number 4, there's number 5. Just reading it now. How to set up home manager. What is a home manager? This, this, and this. Is that the file that we've created? Home manager. Did they not start telling what a home manager is? right, it's got rather important. So way how to install things. For example, if you want to install htop packages, htop, and then you have everything you need, everything you want, you put in between these brackets. It will be installed. Oh, yeah. So if you add this, you don't need to add the package in front of it. That's easier. It's the end, and it's the end for me, for my exploration on Nixos. I've started the weekend in a proper way. 1 hour and 30 minutes. Of course, there's a lot more to learn, but I know already enough for me, right? And in the end, the video, all I want to say again is, guys, all of this, it's all Linux. Try and use what works. See if you are into immutable things, right? You have a look what's possible, what's available. But learning Plasma is everywhere on any system, CentOS and SUSE and so on. So enjoy Linux and enjoy learning. Cheers.